Hey everybody, this is Greg over here from the Side Hustle and Flow Group, and I am going to show you guys really quick how to compound your earnings in IPC. Okay, we just introduced the IPC platform, so next week you guys are going to want to know how to do this to compound your balance back into your trading account so you can trade with more on the following week and earn even more money than you did on the previous week, right? So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen, show you my back office here. Okay, so here we are. Let's say today is a Saturday, okay? And on Friday nights, the company takes your earnings of the week minus the 20%, we know, and it puts it back over here into your USDT wallet. Okay, so these are my earnings for the week. What I'm going to do is, this process is real simple. You're going to do this once a week, guys. Okay, you're going to go to transaction, internal transfer. You're on the deposit from your wallet balance to the MT4. So you want to take all of that money that you earned, copy, paste it up here to this field. You're going to get a verification code. So you're going to click, I'm going to click send code. It's going to send me an email, okay, with the verification code. So if we just give me 1 second here, I'm going to check my email. Intelligence Prime Capital. There we go. Code came through 221973. Okay, if you don't have your Google Authenticator bound to your account, you may want to do that. It's just an extra level of security to keep somebody from, if they happen to hack your account, find your password, at least they wouldn't be able to withdraw your funds because they don't have the Google Authenticator bound to their phone, right? Only you have these codes. So I'm going to go to my Google Authenticator, put my code in 611950. Did I make it? Did I make it? It was, there we go. Internal transfer successful. Your deposit request processed successfully. Now, go back to my dashboard. Okay, let's get rid of that. Now you see the blue is 0. And now my balance has just been jacked up to $7,844. So I'm ready for the next week to start trading, guys. So that's it. That's all you got to do. Compound, compound, compound. All right. You guys have a good one.